So this one was also, it wasn't too bad. So we start off with a thin extrude. As so the thin extrude, I just create a circle around the origin with a radius of 0.31 inches, and then I thin extrude. I thin extrude by, I think it's 0.125, yeah, 0.125 inches right here. And I just do it blindly. From there, I create a plane right here. You can see plane. And on this plane, I create a sketch, and that is this sketch right here. These little slots to create the holes of the clamp. They're all the same and it's in a pattern. So the radiuses of these slots are 0.01 inches in radius. They're 0.08 inches long. And on the outer side, they are 0.08 inches apart. And on the inner sides, they're 0.04 inches apart, which means the radius accounts for 0.02, and the math adds up. And these slots are centered evenly, so they are 0.02 inches apart on the top and on the bottom. And then I would go ahead and extrude cut through all, so it goes through both sides of this ring clamp. After that, I create a sketch on the top plane, and it's just a box, a rectangle that's 0.1 inches long, 0.05 inches tall. It is 0.16 inches from the origin, and this is what it's looking like, and it's centered so that it's 0.05 inches away from the line of the origin. From there, I just boss extruded it to the surface of this clamp. So it creates this little box right here. So this is the clamp.